Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So when you have a home that has great bones, it is really easy to take that and make it absolutely fabulous. We're going to show you some of that today at this lake home. In this case, these folks had enough space to do what they wanted to do. It just wasn't oriented exactly right. There used to be a dining room on this end of the space. There was a wall here that separated it so that all the kitchen fit into this. They wanted a much larger eat-in kitchen so that all the family could gather. We were able to enlarge the dining space and add all new windows so that they've got a great view of the lake. And we also opened up this room so that they had a clear access to the living room. You would not believe what a difference it makes when you knock out some walls. This home had traditional honey oak floors. We were able to refinish those tooth in where we changed the layout, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. One of the goals of this renovation was to get the laundry upstairs. So we took a hall bath, switched some things around that allowed them to have their washer and dryer on the main level. In this master bath, we needed to do some rearranging to give them the space that they needed. By doing that, we were able to create space for a double vanity. We moved the toilet and relocated the window, and now they have this great large walk-in shower, which just turned out so pretty. So one of the things that was really helpful for these clients when we got started was doing full design renderings. It enables you to be able to walk through the rooms, look at different color choices, play with different finishes, so that you truly understand what the finished product is going to be. If you're considering a major renovation, F&S Building Innovations can help you with that so that you know exactly what your project is going to look like at the end.